ரத்னாண்ட தென்னங்கல் ஒரு குறுகிய காலத்திலேயே தமிழ் மக்கள்கிட்ட மட்டும் இல்லாமலுக்கு எல்லா மக்கள்கிட்டையுமே அது கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக நல்ல ரீச் ஆகிட்டது. அவையோட ரிவ்யூ அவையோட கன்சர்னோட நான் இதில் போட்டிருக்கிறேன், நீங்கள் பார்க்கலாம்.
Yeah. Hi then, how are you? Alright?
Yeah, good.
Yeah. How's the coconut toddy for Sri Lankan toddy for the import about this one? How's the taste? How's you like it?
Yeah, it's very good. It's a nice change to drinking beer, the cinnamon. You usually get like either like sparkling soft drink or a beer, and this time we tried this stuff for the first time. And what do you think?
What do you think?
It was tasty and refreshing.
Yeah, it matches the food actually. The coconut matches well with coconut sambar and those and all that stuff. So, yeah, I recommend it. It's good.
Thank you very much for that. Thank you.